Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to model this realistic pillow in just a few minutes. As you can see, the final result looks great with natural looking folds and curves. Let's jump right in. Start a new project and delete the default cube, camera, and light. Add a plane, scale it down, and then scale it along the x-axis to create a rectangle. Don't forget to apply the scale, press Ctrl A. In edit mode, right-click and subdivide. In the Properties panel, set the number of cuts to 50. You can go higher for more detail, but 50 is a good balance for performance. Press E to extrude slightly along the Z-axis. Now press Ctrl+R to add a loop cut right through the middle. Tab back into Object mode. Go to the Physics Properties and select Cloth. Scroll down to the Pressure settings, enable it, and set the value to 7. Under Field Weight, set Gravity to 0. Now we're ready to inflate. Hit space to play the animation. Once the mesh reaches the perfect shape, stop the playback. Remember, the higher the pressure, the firmer the pillow will look. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. Once you're happy, convert to Mesh to lock in the shape. Now, to make it look even more realistic, go to the Modifiers tab and add a Subdivision Surface modifier. Increase the Levels viewport value to 2 or 3. This will smooth out any remaining blocky edges and give the pillow a soft, high-end look. To add materials, let's quickly unwrap it. In the UV Editing tab, select the middle edge loop and mark Seam. Press U and select Unwrap. Back in the Layout tab, open a shader editor window and create a new material. Select the principled BSDF and press Ctrl-Shift-T. Make sure Node Wrangler is enabled. Select your texture set, link in the description, and click Principled Texture Setup. Switch to Material Preview, and there you go, a beautiful, realistic pillow. If this helped you today, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.